Hi all, welcome back to this Beauty Blossom. I hope you all are doing great, and today I am doing the part 2 of my Nykaa haul, which is all makeup. I have done part 1 of skincare, which I'll link somewhere here. Because it was too long, I thought I'll divide into two parts and have makeup and skincare separately. So this is all makeup. I have everything in this basket and also have couple of them lying around the floor near me. So I'll go through randomly. First thing I have is from Smashbox. They had an offer, like if you purchase certain amount you get full size liquid lipsticks free, along with a primerizer and a mini mascara. So I actually made an order. I placed an order of foundation. I don't know, somehow I am unable to find where my foundation is, so I will put a picture of that foundation which I got in the shade also. Along with the foundation I got this photo finish primer water. I know many people rave about this, and it says it's used to set your makeup for longer time and all, and also it's a good primer. So I want to try this one, and it's so damn expensive, but yes, it's Smashbox. So it comes in this very cute decent packaging. It's a set and refresh spray. It's 116 ml. It says it's 93% set skin, felt instantly hydrated, absorbed quickly, refresh, blah blah blah. So that's the first product I got from second product I got from Smashbox from Nykaa. And the last one I picked up is this Smashbox concealer, and this is a Studio Skin Flawless 24 hours concealer. And in the foundation also I got it, I think it's the same range, Studio Finish Flawless 24 hours foundation. This is in the shade medium warm golden. I don't know if it matches my skin tone, but I think it will. Yeah, so that looks very nice. And yeah, that's the next one. I also got the foundation. I will do a video on my thoughts and how it works, so stay tuned for that. And with that I got couple of products free. The first one was the Dream Hug lipstick. I mean the Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Dream Huge or Dream Hug something. I don't find that now, but I'll put a picture and also a swatch if possible. And the other two free products I got are these ones, which is teeny tiny Smashbox photo finish primerizer, primer and moisturizer in one. And the next one I got is this Super Fanned Out Mascara mini one, which is fast lash thing. So along with these two I got a full size of the lipstick free, which was really good. I think the lipstick itself is 1750 or 1800. I got one product from Faces Canada. I got two actually. I got this Perfecting Pressed Powder, which is SPF 50. I got two, one for me, one for my sister. I got in shade Beige 03 for me, and I got in shade Sand for my sister. So that's how it looks. I have been waiting to get Faces Canada Pressed Compact Powder, which I normally use. I don't remember the name, but I love that compact, but it's out of stock for a long time, so I thought I'll get this one. There was some offer, I think buy one get one. It's 600 rupees, but I got it 1 plus 1 free. This is a Perfecting Pressed Powder with SPF 15, and that's how the powder is. I always get the shade Beige for me. It matches my skin tone very well. So yeah, that's the compact I got. I don't know, I can never have enough compact, because when I'm in a hurry, when I have to go out, I normally don't wear foundation every day. So a good compact which gives at least a light coverage to my skin, right? And yeah, that's I have this Smashbox lipstick here. I was searching everywhere, so it's already in this basket. So this is the one which I got free, which is Always On liquid lipstick. It's the shade Dream Huge. I know it's a little lighter, but applicator is also very nice. So I'll swatch it here. That's the shade, which is cute, nice. Got two products from LA Colors from Nykaa. They had 50 or 60% off. The first one is this LA Colors Lip Contour Fuller Looking Enhanced Lip. I have heard couple of bloggers talking about it. I've never tried it. You have two thin and thick lip side in it. Let me open it. I don't know, Nykaa, you know, whenever I ordered a couple of brands like Wet n Wild or LA Colors, they always have this logo of HOK makeup, Is it like HOK Makeup also part of Nykaa, or Nykaa have taken it, or Nykaa gets products from them if they are out of stock at them? I don't know. If you know, let me know in the comments down. I really don't know about it. This is how it is. I think I like the shade. So, oh, it just came out. The thinner side is this. You can actually make a liner with it, but sadly it just came out. I don't know. Okay, so that's the thicker side. Okay, the shades are totally different. I mean, yeah, you can see it's little lighter here, darker here. So the thicker side is like pinkish color and the thinner side is like more like a mauvey pink color. But yeah, I like it. So yeah, that's the first one. And the next one I got is this one, which is the pressed powder with applicator and mirror included. Again says hokmakeup.com. I don't know what's it. I got in shade beige, but let me show you. So you get a sponge, which I really feel it's no use. It's very thin. That's the shade. They say they have a mirror, it's like teeny tiny mirror, but that's the shade you get. I think this shade is like little lighter for my skin tone because it says beige, but you can see it gives a white cast to me. I really don't like that white cast on any powders. It makes the skin look very bad. So it's not that great, but I'll try and see if I can only use to set my concealer. But it was very affordable. It was like 50% off, like 100 and something. So I got it. From Nykaa, you can see I have all these from Nykaa. Nykaa had a crazy offer. I don't know what's up with them, but they had a crazy offer, so I thought I'll try them. The first two things I got, I have already used it today. So these are the Nykaa lashes I got from Nykaa. They are like 199 rupees. Again, there was some offer. So I got two from them. They look cute. I have used one today. This is the first time ever I have used fake eyelashes. I know it's not that perfect, but I had to follow multiple videos to see and then have my lashes fixed up, and yeah, I think I did a good job. It's my first time ever in my life wearing these lashes. Initially it was so heavy. I felt like something is on top of my eyes. It was so heavy, but now it's like I don't even feel anything. So that gets settled in a couple of hours. So I got two of them. One is in Real Deal, which is natural length plus natural volume, which is this one. And the other one is this Turn Up the Drama, which is ample volume and intense lashes, which is the one I'm wearing today. And the sad part is, I don't know, just let me know if you've already tried and used it, but the glue which you get in this is worst. It's of no use. I don't know why they just kept it. Maybe some marketing strategy, but it's of real no use, so don't ever try to use that. It's of no use as per me. It was so horrible. I had another glue, so I used them. But yeah, these are the two lashes I got from Nykaa. These two Glow Getter Get Cheeky Blush and Highlighter Duo, they had a great offer, so I got these. And I know these are not new. They have launched way back, I think last year or a year before. I've always wanted to try, but they were never on offers. I've heard many people use this and also like the product, so I thought anyways it's an offer, so I'll try now. So I got two of them. It's the Get Cheeky Blush Duo, which is in shade 01 Brazilian Bombshell, and the packaging is good. It's more secured. It comes more securely, and it's like this. I think MAC also have they resemble MAC packaging. I don't know. So yeah, this is the blush duo. You get two blushes, which is a pinky one and a mauvey one. Are the two blushes? This is pinky one, which is way light. Maybe you have to build it up, but I really like this one. These kind of shades look very nice on dusky, darker skin tone, which is really nice. This is the main reason I bought this duo, because of this color, which I really like. So yes, I've not tried on my face, but with the texture they feel so smooth. So yes, that's the blush duo. Highlighter and illuminating duo, which is in shade 02 Glitterati. And there are a couple of other shades, but I was so confused on what to get. I thought this one suits more to my skin tone, which is dusky skin tone, and you get a warm golden shade and also champagne pink kind of shade. So you can see, I'm not sure if you can see, but these are the shades which you get. I got is one of their kind of recent launches. This is their Glow Goals Shimmer Brick. I know Maybelline has it, Bobbi Brown has it, so Nykaa also have their own shimmer brick, so I got one. This is in shade Shimmer Race. I think they have couple of other shimmer bricks, so I got this one. This is how it is. It's like 1 2 3 4 5 rows of this, and you can use it individually if you have a little brush, or you can mix everything and then use it. I would like to mix everything and then use it. So it's kind of a bronzy shade. So you can see it's kind of bronzy shade. It's very very nice for my skin tone. In palettes from Nykaa is this Nykaa Just Wink It 12-in-1 eyeshadow palette. I know this is not a new launch, but their new launch eyeshadow palettes are like 10 shades, but I have not heard great reviews about it. I don't know, maybe in future I might try that, but I thought I'll try this one because I was so interested. I was more attracted into this one. This is in shade Double Chocolate Chip, and it comes in the packaging and all the details are at the back. And I like when brands put the expiry date and the ingredients at the back side of the eyeshadow palette. You get a good mirror, and then you get a dual-ended brush. Sponge one is really of not much use of me unless you want to apply some glitter shades or sticky based ones, but the shades are so pretty. You can see it's like daily wear. It's not over the top. I remember a Maybelline eyeshadow palette which is similar to this. It also has a kind of black shade, but I really love these warm tones which are very very good for daily use. And yeah, it's so nice. Again, I like these kind of shades to wear daily basis. I love eyeshadow, lipsticks. I'm not that of foundation, concealer or kind of person. I mean, I know they are very important for makeup, but when your skin is very healthy, you don't need foundation every day, right? I don't do that every day, but I love to put eyeshadow, some color on my eyes to pop up, and something on my lips. That's my everyday makeup thing which I follow. But yeah, these kind of eyeshadows are very very nice for daily wear use, and I can't wait to try them. I might try to swatch some. Oh, they're so soft. But these pans move. You can see they are moving. I think they are 6 pan each. Maybe you can remove them. I don't know. Okay, but they move a lot. But these are the two shades. Okay, they are good. Can you see these two? So it looks smooth. I'm literally tired sitting here. My back aches. So are you working from home? Because I'm working from home, and it's been like work all the time. I felt it was so nice when I was working from office. You at least get some time, but when I started working from home for this lockdown, it's like I have been working and working. I don't know, I think I have to learn how to put a stop to my work sometimes. But yeah, those were the pans. Rest of all are kind of lips and tips. Nails, lips. So I want to try this Masaba by Nykaa nail remover. I know many people have tried this kind of thing. I have never preferred it, but I thought this will be handy, quick to remove your nail polish when you're in a go. This is a nail enamel remover, and it's Masaba by Nykaa. Yeah, I got this. I think it was also in offer. And I also got their Going Strong Calcium Milk for nails. My nails are, I mean, when I was in my school, I used to have schooling or college, I used to have long nails. I love to grow nails and have nail polish on them, but I don't know, couple of years I'm not at all interested or focused on these. Whenever I try to grow them, it gets chipped, breaked. So I want to try this and see if I can start growing my nails again. And I got this nail polish, Masaba by Nykaa collection. It's in shade 276 Cool Guy. I think they have the same names for the lipsticks. So it's so nice. I have it on my nails today. Yeah, this is how I want to have my nails every day. I'm lazy on putting my nail polishes. These two in offer. One is in shade Maithili and the other one is Kashi. So the packaging are cute. You get these lipsticks this way, right? Two shades I got. I think I have similar kind of Maybelline lipstick, liquid lipstick, which is very same as the packaging. So I'll swatch this. I will make a video, but again it's taking forever for me to make videos, so I thought I'll swatch this now. It is kind of orange, like brick red maroony shade, which is Maithili, and the next one is nudie shade Kashi. Yeah, it's brownie nude kind of thing. These kind of shades look very nice on deeper skin tones, dusky skin tones. Yes, so I'm all for it. Because So Matte, these I think they were free. I have not paid anything. I got them for free. Yes, whenever Nykaa sends something for free, it says Nykaa free, Nykaa free. So I think these were free, or this one is free. I got it. I don't remember, but they're very affordable. One is in, I think I got this one. This is 14M California Merlot and then 47M Bare Minimum. I think someone was raving about this shade 14M California Merlot. That's why I picked this up. I like the packaging. It's magnetic. That's how the shade is. Very deep maroon. The one I got is this Ultra Matte, which is Nykaa Cocoa shade, and I've also heard many people already used it. I've never tried this range. The packaging is color coded. It's again magnetic, which is so nice. And yeah, this is how the shade is. I thought with the name it will be like brown, but it's cocoa shade, which is like more like maroony red, this one. So yeah, we'll see. It's in shade 17 Cocoa. Like Nykaa lip liner. I think I got one in Heartbreaker. I really like that, so I thought I'll buy another one. It's the Nykaa Lipstone. I like the packaging of the lip liners. This is in shade Birthday Suit 01. I don't know, somehow I thought Charlotte Tilbury has what that shade is. I don't remember the shade. There is a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick with me, which shade is very similar to this one. I want to see if it's a dupe or not, so I bought this one. I don't know if you can see, it's very light. This is what it is. I have today this lip liner. Thing is Nykaa Pout Perfect. I think I've never tried it. It's also not a new one. These are all old launches, but yeah, I want to try this one. I've never tried a Nykaa one. Okay, this is the one. It's like more pinky. One from Nykaa, which is a Take a Brow eyebrow filler. I've heard many people rave about it. I'm never an eyebrow person. I hardly shape my eyebrows because they don't grow very faster, so I shape it once in 6 months or so. Trust me, I know that's not good, but I'm lazy about it. I don't go to parlors that frequently. I do everything at home, and I don't know how to make my brows. So I actually tried this one filling. I have a gap here. If you are a regular follower of my channel, you know I have a gap here in my brows. So I filled it. It's pretty much good. I have to go to parlor once it's open. So I've heard a lot of good reviews about this from many people, but yeah, it's good. It's very easy. Makes a sound. Pouches from Nykaa. I got one for my sister, one for me. So I wanted to keep all my lipsticks when I'm traveling outside, not to put everything on one makeup pouch, which makes it more not organized and difficult to find my lipsticks when I want to find them. So I thought I'll get these. These are all secure, and have this in a bigger pouch or have it itself. So I launched these liquid lipsticks. I already had these two earlier. I got one shade recently. I think it's the shade Red Sangria. So I want to make a review on these lipsticks, so I got this 3. And when I got these, I also had some offer on Lakme where you buy something, you get a primer free, Nykaa Pore primer free. So I got this one. This is a Lakme Absolute Kohl Ultimate Gelato collection. I've never tried anything like this crazy colors, but I want to try some different eyeliner for some of the looks which I'm planning on. So that's the eyeliner. Two products of this makeup haul are makeup again. I think I got this free. Got this one. There was a lipstick which I get free, but this one I got free. This is what I'm wearing today. This is their Rambling Rose shade, which is L'Oreal Infallible range. That's the shade. I'm wearing it today. It's so nice, creamy, nice formula. Yeah. Yes, with that I finished my haul. It's so hot here. So yes, these are all the things which I got from Nykaa, and if you have not watched my part 1 video, please go and watch it there. Subscribe to my channel if you. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Be safe. Take care. Bye bye.